The HP9810 calculator from 1971. Price $2,975 at that time. Let's try to solve this simple problem on this calculator. Let's turn it on. When it's coming up, it's in float mode. We like to have it in fixed mode. Start by pressing 3, roll up, then 4, square it, exchange, square again, add, roll down, and finally square root. The result is 5, as it should. The HP9810 was based on the same architecture as the successful HP2100 minicomputer series, but the implementation was bit serial instead of parallel. These are the 4 CPU boards. First coming up is the I/O controller. Then we have the clock generator and timing board, which generates all the timing in the system. Now coming up is the microcode board, which includes 256 by 28 bits of micro-ROMs. Then finally we have the data path board. This is the main memory board. It is organized as 512 by 16 and 512 by 6. This is the program memory board. It contains 4 kilobytes of masked ROM memory. This is the expansion memory board, which provides 1536 extra program steps. To make it easier to write programs, one can use the keylog function to log all key entries made. Now the key entries is also printed on the printer as well. This unit came from the Swedish Maritime Administration and had been used for hydrographic service. According to markings on the ship, it was manufactured around 1972 to 1973. If we open the lid, we can see that it has 3 installed options. The sticker tells us that it has been for service in 1979. ROM cartridges that adds extra functionality to the calculator. To make programs, first enter program mode. Then press the steps that we have recorded previously in the keylog mode. The final step is the end. Now let's try this program by entering 3, roll up, 4, and then press continue to run the program. Unfortunately, I didn't have any magnetic cards available, so I had to do my own. Press list to list the program to the printer. Then we insert a card and press store to store the program in a magnetic card. Now let's try to power up the machine and then restore a previously recorded program. Now let's see if the program really is there by pressing list. Yes, it's perfectly there. Now let's describe a little about the restoration process. There were a lot of ICs that has to be replaced. I actually sent some to X-ray. To card reader was also a mess. And in total, I had to replace 13 ICs. Out of those 13, 12 were national semiconductor ICs.